Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And for today, I'm going to show you how to use the auto translation feature on Canva. So let's begin with the very basics and the very beginnings of how to use the Canva translation feature. First things first, let's start with a new design. From this new design template, on the upper left corner, select the Design button and go ahead and choose any design you wish to use. For the purposes of this video, we're going to go with this fashion sale design. Feel free to adjust the photo, font size, and all the colors of this design and personalize it the way you wish. Once you're happy with how your design has turned out, go ahead on the lower left corner of the screen underneath videos and click on Translate. So the Canva translation feature uses automatic detection to detect one language in order to translate it to another language. For the purposes of this video, we're going to set it to translate from English to French. We can even specify which pages to apply the translation to. In order to translate from English to French, it all takes one single click of a button by clicking the Translate button on the lower left corner. And voila! As you can see, we've now translated all the English text from our fashion sale promo into French. By doing a little bit more digging, you can even change the settings of the translation feature. We can have it reduce the font size to fit properly, duplicate the page in order to create a separate page for our translation, mirror the page to match the direction, and even apply the fonts properly to the translated language. As you can see, the Canva translation feature is robust enough to translate even from English to a language like Korean with a completely different alphabet. And once you're happy with how your page has been translated, don't forget to click on Share on the upper right corner and download a copy of all the translated pages you wish. That's really all there is to it to using Canva's amazing translation feature. If you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next quick and easy tutorial.